So today we are going to discuss about control system laboratory, that is 7th experiment, time response characteristics of second order system for different cases, that is undamped case, underdamped case and critically damped case. So this is a software experiment. So we are going to simulate this by using MATLAB. So I already opened the MATLAB. In that command will be opened, command window. So in that we are going to write the program. So transfer function, if it is 10 raised to 10 divided by s square plus 10 raised to 10. So s square is the highest order. So in the numerator there is no s term. So 0, 0, 10 raised to 10. I'll just show you. Numerator s square is 0, s is 0, 10 raised to 10, that is s raised to 0. Similarly, denominator we are having s square plus 10 raised to 10. S square, its coefficient is 1, there is no s term, so 0, 10 raised to 10. So in the numerator also, s square and s is not present, only 10 raised to 10 is there. So for that purpose, these two are 0. So next command will be step numerator comma denominator. So we'll get the graph. So this is undamped case, right? So similarly, we'll solve for underdamped case. CLC means clear. We already discussed these things in the class. So for underdamped case, we are going to take the transfer function as 10 raised to 10 divided by s square plus 40,000 s plus 10 raised to 10. So numerator 10 raised to 10. So s square and s term is not present. So denominator we are having s square plus 40,000 plus 10 raised to 10. So step numerator comma denominator. This is the inbuilt command which will be available in the MATLAB. The numerator denominator we are defining. So we are getting the graph here. So right click, characteristic, peak response. So we'll get the peak response. Then settling time, where the graph or the response is settled. So that point will get characteristics, rise time. This is rise time. Similarly, steady state. So what is this rise time, then settling time, peak response? These things we already defined in the theory class. So this is underdamped case diagram. So next we are going to move towards critically damped case. CLC for clear. Then here I am going to take the transfer function as 10 raised to 10 divided by s square plus 2 lakh s plus 10 raised to 10. So numerator 10 raised to 10, s square and s is not present. So denominator, that is s square plus 2 lakh plus 10 raised to 10. Then step numerator comma denominator. So numerator n is capital. So here also NUM, NUM. Then click, you will get the graph. So characteristics: peak response, settling time, rise time, then steady state. So if you click on this, you will get the value, so that in your Tableau you can note down this value. So this is the seventh experiment, time response characteristics of second order system.